did that air brake setup nice enough.
I didn't actually look in there.
There's like a retract servo in here, but then there's like a big metal aluminum thing right here.
Oh, okay. To hold it.
That's where that wire drop is, remember?
Oh, yeah. All right, let's go.
You go first, little man. Little guy.
Taking a spider for a ride.
Look, this thing is so huge compared to that thing.
Are you ready?
Yeah, turning radius.
Timer cleared.
You ready?
You go first.
Gear up.
I'm probably not gonna be able to keep up with you.
You will.
You can whip it around more than I can. I can't keep up with you. You're faster.
I'll make sure you can stay close. So you just passed me.
This feels good with the HRV. Make it fly better.
Of course it does. HRVs are good packs. I moved away. I had to look away. I'm gonna dive from up high down onto you.
Oh, suicide birds out there. I'm gonna make us feel unsafe.
Oh god.
I'm gonna calm down a little bit. These are new packs.
I still smell jet fuel.
These are new packs after all.
Oh, yeah, that's
Whoa,
right.
huge bump out there. Holy
It
crap.
always is right there. That's why Mike thinks that we're hitting, that something's wrong with his radio, but it's just the wind.
Knocked my plane down.
It does. It makes you feel like you've lost control.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at the sun right there. That looks really cool.
Alright, let's slow down. Do some formation.
Let me get on you.
Alright. Yeah, I'm more of the pace setter since I am slower.
Yeah.
Time remaining 1
I'll stay
minute.
to your, what is that, right wing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is crazy bumpy over there. I have to turn my gyro down. It's bumping around too much.
I can fly a little longer if I fly like this.
30 seconds.
Yay, the sun's been covered over.
That was a bonanza.
Was it? Oh yeah, T-tail. V. T-U-V. It is crazy bumpy out there.
Yeah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
This thing's,
1.
no, this thing's nice.
Time
I think I
expired.
like this one.
I think I'm gonna come in because I don't know how long I can go with the 4000.
Yeah, I'll do this. I'm safe.
Gear down.
Okay, Kira's down. Oh,
You landing on this pass?
yeah,
Gear down. 9, 8,
coming in from the right.
These are new batteries. I don't want to kill them.
Whoa, big bump.
See that?
It lands better with the 4000.
Oh yeah, I can see it. It's not my plane.
Yeah, it was bad.
It knocked my plane down and I gained a bunch of speed.
Yeah, same here. I almost lost it. It was like a wind shear.
Exactly what it is. Yeah, it was fully good with these packs. I just never let it build speed on that place, though.
Gotta do a couple climbing dives.
I like this plane. It's different, but it's fun.
Cool.
It's totally different. It's just Oh, it's heavy.
God, it rolls forever. Alright, let me get a picture of the burners like that.
Throttle cut.
Straight here.